Hello everybody, welcome back to another unboxing where I grab something that we have in stock, talk about what it is and what it does. Today we're unboxing the B2 Rage Series H1 Neo tweeters, a pair of high-performance 4-ohm tweeters designed to deliver 100 watts of pure sonic power. Let's crack this open and see what makes these tweeters a must-have for any serious audio setup. As we open the box, the first thing you'll find is the tweeters themselves, protected and ready to impress. You're also going to find 2 MKT 250 volt capacitors, mounting hardware that consists of 8 Phillips screws, and a spec sheet detailing all the important info. Just one look at these tweeters, rugged and compact, designed for high audio performance systems, feature a 1-inch voice coil offering exceptional sensitivity across the frequency range. Combine that with the neodymium magnets, and you've got tweeters that are all about precision and power. These advanced neodymium magnets ensure that you're getting powerful, distortion-free sound, even at high volumes. The 100 watts RMS power handling means that these tweeters are ready to deliver some serious sound with an impressive frequency response of 2 kHz all the way to 20 kHz. One thing I really appreciate is the compact design. Despite their size, these tweeters pack a punch. They're easy to install and seamlessly fit into any audio system, whether you're upgrading your car audio or home theater. Let's not forget the key specs. The sensitivity is down to 104 decibels for razor sharp highs, a titanium diaphragm for added durability, and 4-ohm impedance, making them highly compatible with a wide range of setups. Now, let's talk a little bit about the price. The price on these are $104.95, and if you're interested, you can get them at bigjeffaudio.com/collections/B2audio. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and also comment something that you would like to see unboxed. It means a lot, and it really does help out the channel. In the meantime, I'll catch you in the next unboxing.